I'm just getting the bossing. Shoot my shot like Magic Johnson. But I don't wanna fight. Yeah, come in my semen. Show you my semen demon. Late night backshots, healing like. Do it, got like chickens and shit to the movie go. She said I got too much bitches, but fuck all these bitches. I only see you in my world, nigga. I'm gonna kill her without bitch. I'm gonna kill her with toxic. She happy, screaming me knocking. I still teach me Tommy Crockett. This part.
Alright, buddy.
This guy, yo. Wat dan dat je kan toch leren zoals dat je living in full.
I'll not this guy's house and three.
Wait, that's you actually, bro. I came first, he came second, then you came like what?
Ask him what time I came. Ask him what time I came. Ask him what time I came.
I was wait.
Nah, those allegations were low-key better.
Oh, and he was so beating me.
That's facts though. He was not fighting them at all. Who? Just hit your way. You can't fight for boy. You might just take it by the chin. Let's realize bringing forces to a pool party.
Them niggas try send for me, envy and jealousy. Everything I wish to put my enemies. Read the blocks I came up from and I still made it.
Like, you was here maybe 2 hours, 3 hours. Then I will understand. He was here. He just came in here. You understand, Jay? So, the train is coming from. There's a train.
Plug.
So we didn't learn. We didn't learn from last time. We didn't. So we didn't learn.
There's a train, my brother. Salute. The train is here, my brother. Salute. Away. Take like. You're not even saying anything. No, it's not bell.
What do you say about the school? What do you say about the school? What do you say about the school?
The school is quite.
It's your meanest one.
I feel want his ass, bro.
Nah, but they find. It's not me, bro. As those goons there, asking for a hot spot. Chill. It's not me. And you, doesn't come around.
I was just suggesting that we go to Cape Town. That's the only way so we can have fun. You understand? And not
What
come here for
transport back
nothing. What?
What transport back at?
I don't know.
Like a proper girl. And like, that's.
Because we already don't have transport back, so. Actually, what do you have to say for yourself, Fire? Because your sorry ass lead us here.
What do you mean? I told you. What did I tell you when we were walking? What did I tell you?
No, I don't remember.
What did I tell you?
Remind me. Remind me.
I told you.
Plug.
I've been telling
Plug.
you. If you're confident, let's go your route. What did that lady say? What did you say?
Say it's not my fault, bro.
What did you say?
If they're confident in his abilities, it's not mine. It's hard for you. You're gonna go think you get lost. Then you're gonna come to me. I know I'm gonna show
Then
you
we could
your
have
daddy, yeah,
separated. We could have separated. But what did you say?
And you stopped, and you really stopped us there, and you were singing. Now come, let's follow them. Come,
We
let's
said
follow
let's turn around. What did you say?
And leave everyone else here, bro. That's the solution. You guys are cold. I was like, cold. Oh no, I was
Sometimes in the desert, it's every man by himself. You understand? So like, yeah, we want to also get to the destination since they are failing us. You see, so.
Leave keys, leave keys.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Please her. Don't need her. Please her. Please her. Don't need her. 3 bad bitches. Come hop in. 4 bad bitches. Got like 6. 3 bad bitches. Come hop in. 4 bad bitches. Got like 6.
We must make a partnership. No, it must be a partnership. 75% yes, and then times 70. That's like a 5% difference. That doesn't add up to 100. Bro, I'm not saying it must be 100. Nigga. I didn't say she has to be perfect, gang. I'm just saying there should be some structure.
like Gru.
Oma.
That's a fat one that you're gonna talk about.
You guys are sleeping on Keita.
With muscles on the legs in general.
You guys are gonna come back to me, dog. No, I'm not talking about the muscle Keita, dog.
You want his hand to put him in an armbar.
Unless if
Mommy, what's this?
You understand?
Legs, baby.
Unless if it ties like it's fake.
Yeah. You can't have thick thighs and then you have thin what you call it.
Come on, it's gonna be naturally level.
But still, there's nothing wrong alone.
You must balance each other out, dog. You see, as it goes out, it
Nah, but
comes
the kid
in.
does not too much, bro.
Yeah, bro. Like we get up. When I say Keita, you guys imagine that guy that was jogging in front of us. No, not that kind of Keita, dog. Ah, shit. Jackie G, like. When she has Keita, you know she got that shit on with her heels and stuff, dog.
Finish the same with the beat, so I had to hop in the stool and I spat on the track.